Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arish Syed and today I am doing Flinto box and I am going to show you we are making mini ecosystem. So for this materials we need a container. We need the container, cocoa peat, then toothpicks which is already inside this, and pebbles is here ready, and seeds is over here. If you don't have seeds, you could do move. All right. So now coarse sand is over here and charcoal is over here and mesh is over here inside this, and mushroom cutouts is over here. So let's begin. So first we have to take the pebbles, and in the instruction it is telling that we should put little pebbles inside it. So here's the container. Let's open the tap. So guys, I have put the pebbles inside, as you could see. Now we have to put the mesh, alright? So which I'm going to put it right over here. It looks like how we do barbecue and like that. It is like mesh. So we'll just keep that aside. Now let's put that inside carefully. If I could do, you could put it ulta straight. So guys, you could see I have put the mesh inside it. So next we have to put the charcoal. So I'll put this inside. All right. So carefully we have to put it inside. So guys, we have put the charcoal inside it. So the next one is that carefully put the layer charcoal over the mesh and return to later. Now we have to put the coarse sand. You could see here. So I will put it inside, but carefully. You have to keep little, all right? And the pebbles you have to do full, all right? So let's put. This is kind of little tricky. So let's put it inside. So guys, can you see here? I've put the coarse sand inside. Now we have to take a paper and put the paper and put the cocoa peat inside over
paper,
there.
This is paper?
I mean, I was telling that we have to put on the plate, steel plate, and we have to put cocoa peat inside over here. Then we have to take some water and sprinkle on it. Alright? So we will do that. So first let's put the cocoa peat over inside. Right? This is very cool. Yeah. It should be very this thing. So if you want to put full, you could put, but you should surround it. Yes, that's all. So let's keep this much inside. So guys, can you see we have put the cocoa peat on the plate. So now we have to sprinkle little water over here. So little bit. So guys, let's put in my hand little bit. Oh, that's enough. Now let's sprinkle. So let's take some more. Oh, that is little. Then now let's sprinkle it. So now let's put like this. So that's, I think that's enough. So now let's mix it. This is very. If it's not gotten proper, let's take some more water. Alright. So we have to mix very well on this. And pause it. So let's do more water. I'm going to put a little more water and put the remaining charcoal inside it. All right, and do not let the lung be there. This lung which is hard. Lung which is hard. All right. So now let me put some on my hand. Let's put it. Might be a little hot. Oh, it's very hot. Ouch, that hurts. So let's put like this little. You have to sprinkle it. You could use your help of mother or fathers. Now let's put. That's all. So now let's start mixing. Oh, it's very hot. That's all, guys. So we have to mix the charcoal also. Remaining charcoal. So now let's do, and now let's mix it. It's very dusty over here, but that's okay. So now let's take and mix it, because if you could use your mother father's help to do it. Oh, the one you have to like press it. So guys, I've mixed all of it, and now it's little dark than before. Now we have to carefully insert it into the container. So if you could, you have to be very careful while you are putting it, so that it should not go. It should not do it properly. If you don't do it, then you could use your mother or father's help. Now let's put a little more. Inserting it. That's enough. I think. Hello. क्या बात कर रहे हो? So guys, I'm going to put the whole thing so it will do it. So guys, I've put the cocoa peat inside. Now we have to put the seeds, but do not put the whole thing inside it. Then there will be no place. Oh, that's good. I didn't thought that happened. Seeds inside. Okay guys, I've put the seeds inside. So make sure that there is a proper space. You leave space on it, as you can see like this from inside. For the next thing. So guys, this is the pebbles, the moss or something. Then this is the coarse sand. Then this is the cocoa peat with the topper. And now we put it this the seeds. So next, in the instructions, it is telling that carefully insert it. Alright, put the seeds in the cocoa layer. Use the seed the proper space, bowl, and a little water along the side the container. So let's put some water inside it. So we have to be very careful while we are putting. So I'll stand up. So that's enough water. You have to put little water inside it. Now next, the last instruction is best.
Chalo.
So guys, the last instruction. Insert the toothpick through each mushroom, cut out and fix it into the cocoa peats layer. So let's take this out. The one of the toothpicks is over here, and one more is inside. So let's remove that inside. Alright. So now let's insert it from the back. I think so. Like that, you have to insert it inside. Make sure it is gone inside properly. Alright, this is done. Yes, that's all. Now next, let's put this up also. Make sure it is inserted properly inside, and you could just try it so that it is in the proper shape. It should be in the proper angle. That's correct. So both are the same. Now it is saying that put it over here. Yeah, we have to insert it till then it is there. And next mushroom, let's put it over here, little separately. That's enough. You see. Now next, close the container properly and place it. So let's place it. So close the container partially. So that means like this, and place it in a well-lit area until the seeds begin to germinate. Matlab, they are telling that the grass should grow like that.
Seeds.
The seed should grow. So now let's keep it particles. That's it. Now next is, once the seeds are grown, sprinkle little water and close the container. Yeah. So when it grows, you have to sprinkle little water and you have to close the container. So we have to wait for a long time. And this is the end of this. We have to wait for a long time. So guys, this is the mini ecosystem. We have to wait till then the seeds grow. It will take a long time. So we have to wait. So if you can take a break or do something else till then the seeds grow. If you like this, subscribe and like. Alright, bye.